I'm going to teach you how to make this yummy meal that takes probably about half an hour, 40 minutes, tastes amazing, and it only uses about 5 ingredients. It is a French onion turkey pot pie. I know it sounds kind of weird, but let's just go ahead and check it out. Alrighty then, we're going to start. I have my skillet heating up. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to go ahead and throw my onions into the skillet. Let them cook for a few minutes till they get a little bit transparent here. I'll break it up here. So I cook these for a few minutes before the next step, and I'll come back to you guys when the next step's ready. All right, I cooked them up for a little bit. Still could probably cook them a little bit longer if I wanted to, but I'm gonna get to the next step here, and that's adding the meat. You can use ground beef. I'm gonna use ground turkey again because my family loves ground turkey. So I'm gonna be doing 2 pounds. If you're just making enough for like a few people, I'd say do just 1 pound. Oops, runaway turkey. What you're gonna do is you're gonna cook it up until it's nice and cooked all the way through. You got some nice brown turkey going on before you go to the next step. And I'll come back to you when mine is ready. All right, as you see, my turkey's all nice and cooked up. It's a little bit pink left in there, but that'll get cooked out more in the oven later. Before I do the next step here, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of that Aloha smoked spice I've talked about in previous videos that I got from the Marna Maria website. I love the flavor of this stuff. It gives a nice smoky flavor and adds some salt to it. I'm also gonna add some paprika. You don't have to do this. This is just my own personal flavor, and I love putting paprika in like everything. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up a little bit. Just to get it all mixed up in there. The next step, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm adding 2 cans of French onion soup. If you're only doing 1 pound, I would just add one can. Go ahead and mix all that up. Then you're gonna wait until that soup comes to a boil in here before the next step, and I'll come back to you guys before that starts. All right, now I had it all boiled up. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to start transferring all this meat to my pie tins. You can use pie tins, casserole dishes, whatever floats your boat. End result's gonna be the same. So what I'm gonna be doing here is trying to do this without making a mess. See if you can, okay, good. I have 2 tins because I'm making so much, so I'm gonna transfer half to each of these. I'll have to get some of the juices in here in a second. I just don't want to make a mess everywhere. I say as I make a mess everywhere. That should be good enough for that one. Don't mind me taking my time here. Right, put the rest back in this one. Juices. All right, then you can toss this skillet to the side because we don't need it anymore. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get some mozzarella cheese and sprinkle it all over the top. I'll make sure I get it everywhere. All right, and then you can go ahead and pop these in the oven, preheated to 350 degrees for about 6 minutes, just enough until the cheese melts. And I'll come back to you guys when mine's ready to go. All right, my time's up here. It took about 5 minutes for my cheese to get all nice and melted. So you get this nice yumminess. Put that off to the side for now. I'm gonna do the all-important step of busting out the biscuits. Everyone's favorite part. See if I can do it without scaring myself. Ready? Oh, nope, scared myself. Yep, I scared myself. Okay. How about number 2? Dang it! Nope, got myself both times. Okay. Go ahead and bring this puppy over here. Now you're gonna do this with both of them. Make sure you guys can see it good. Okay, cool. You're gonna bust out these wonderful, gooey, yummy looking biscuits. You're just gonna line them across the top. This will be the crust of your pie here. I got 2 cans. I should be able to put 1 can per pie here. That one in the middle. I'll start stacking up that one. Let's push you off to the side here, buddy. Bring you over. Oh man, I love the way these biscuits look. These ones different. Oh, both the same kind. That's weird. So it has little golden chunks in it. Must be the butter. The other one, but they're both labeled the same. Interesting. Looks like I'm gonna have some extra biscuits left over here, so I have to maybe heat them up separately somewhere. And just eat them like a cool kid. So I'll put them off to the side for now until I have time. But you're gonna put them back in the oven now, same temperature, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 15 and 20 minutes or until the biscuits are nice and golden brown. And I will come back to you guys when mine's done. All right, my time is up on this one. You can see you got a nice golden brown on there. Looks all kind of yummy and stuff. The other one's cooking a little bit longer because it's not quite done yet. I'm gonna go ahead and go ahead and rip this apart a little bit just to get a little inside look here. Oh, making juices everywhere. We got the biscuit, the beef and the juices, or the, sorry, not beef, the turkey and the juices. The cheese on there. With that nice yumminess going on. You put it in a bowl, put it on a plate, whatever works for you. Bowl will probably be better just because the juices, but I have a nice lip on my plate here. There you go, some nice, yummy, delicious looking. See if I can zoom this in without getting too far. Zoom, I say. See how I look at that. Nice yummy biscuits. Absolutely delicious, all the yummy flavors. You don't have to add the paprika or the, obviously not the aloha smoked spice like I did. I just had that laying around when to add it. If you stick to the basic recipe, everything else except for the paprika and the aloha smoked spice will taste so good. You'll absolutely love it. And there you have it. See, real nice and simple. Takes, like I said, 40 minutes tops. Just tastes great. You don't have to add the paprika in the aloha smoked spice in it. I just had those, and those are my favorite seasonings to add to like everything. You can just go straight ingredients that other than everything else other than the paprika and aloha smoked spice. It'll turn out just as good, and everyone will love it. Especially when you have the biscuits breaking apart in there, and oh, so good. Anyway, if you would change anything about it, or if you would add, subtract anything, please put it down in the comments below and let me know what would change. Maybe I can apply it to some of my recipes later. While you're down there, go ahead and hit the little subscribe button and the little bell doohickey so you know when I post more videos. I try to post every week, doing more food and recipe related videos, and I hope to see you around.